There I am. Yo, Alyssa, what's going on? Del Stone, what's going on? How's it going, guys? I had it on, but I didn't realize I was in private. I had the privacy set to private, so what's happening? Hope you guys doing all right? Wow, look at that gap up. Oh. A big gap up there. Full port short, huh? See what we got going on here. This one here. Wow, look at that gap. Oh, it's because I have the settings on wrong. Hold on. I'm all messed up. I was doing some back testing. There we go, that's better. Say, that looked really weird. And I had it, I had the time setting. I was doing some back testing over the weekend, so. How's it going, Amelia? How's John Sharp, Del Stone, Alyssa, John, what's going on? Hey, Mo Lester. I don't know if I almost like wanted to short. I'm like, oh, that's a nice gap. We're gonna fill that. Yeah, I was doing the same thing with the YM, so it probably looks messed up. See, yeah. How's it going, guys? Sorry, John. Yeah, that was crazy. Honest take, what's going on? Yo, what's going on? Yeah, that freaked me out too. I'm like, what the heck's going on? I'm like, what kind of news did we have over the weekend? Oops. Go here. All right, so I got this Top Stuff eval I'm still trying to pass. Hey, Del Stone, thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you for the $9.99. Appreciate that, Del. You're awesome. Not a bad weekend. Need to clean up a little bit more. Time for spring cleaning. Nice, Amelia. Yeah, we still got it's mud season now. It's mud season right now. My driveway's really muddy. Hey, BKR, what's going on, buddy? Aw, man, I appreciate it, Del. We are here, Sunday night. Let's go. Very wiki right now. Very wiki. We'll be a little patient. We won't just jump in. Hey, Methodical, what's going on? You was doing some yard work? I still got snow in my yard, so there's no yard work. But I was trying to dig a little trench in my driveway because my driveway was getting super muddy and the water was just piling up in one section, so I had to dig a little trench to... But yeah, so 659 now, 660s. Just kind of looking. I haven't really looked at the charts. See what we got going on. So I'm working on this top step eval. We got two of them going. I think these ones are blown. Yeah, that one's blown. That one's blown. Got this one up. Yeah, how's the levels, guys? The levels alright? I've been messing with it a little bit. I just turned it down just a tad. I might, Methodical. Why not? It's been working. So let me write it. Let me tell you how the first inside bar has been working. So I'm hitting about 69% on the one-to-one so far. So still pretty small, but it's what do we got? 23. So 55 days or so traded, so not too bad. And there's 2 question marks, so it could be a slightly lower. It's like I had a couple instances where it worked on MNQ, but it did not work on NQ. So oh, thanks, John. Yeah, me too. I like that vibe. I tried to mess with some things, guys. So I kept getting copyright strikes with YouTube. Not really strikes, but like they can't monetize my music. So I had to go into a website, and I had to pay for the website, and then I got copyright-free music, and then I had to make my own playlist. I actually can't hear it. Until I pull out my headphones, but yeah, I haven't quite figured that out. So I tried to, anyways, on Streamlabs, I downloaded the file right into Streamlabs, so I was messing with the audio levels and stuff over the weekend, but it should sound much cleaner, is my hope. So cool, thanks, Methodical. It is. It's stupid. And now I have to go in all my past live videos and try to like edit them out. And I've been doing it slowly, like at night. What a push down there. It's quite the push down. 33 points. Seems big. But yeah, it's pretty dumb. Like they allow you to use it, but then you can't monetize off it, so like, alright. But now I have real copyright-free music. So I still gotta mess with like the playlist, but I tried to mess with it a little bit. Alright, pushing down 626s now. Testing the 612, 604. 588. But yeah, if you guys are just tuning in now, I was like freaked out. I thought we really had a big gap up because I had the charts all messed up. And yeah, thought they, like Amelia said, I thought it was like a 300-point gap, or John said or something. But yeah, I was like, wow. But now we're getting a big push down here. 621s now. Can't go wrong with Tom Selleck. Oh, well, John, hopefully you stayed in it. Methodical short. Nice. Oh, he got short in an eval. Nice. Just going, riding with that. Yeah, it was a beautiful short off the open there. I gotta get my headphones. I need some background noise for myself. Oh, you're all good, John. Do we have any St. Patrick's Day deals going on right now? I don't think so. Nothing that I've seen yet. To be honest with you, I haven't really looked. I think Bulenox is the same so far. We know Top Step isn't doing a deal yet. Bulenox still 75% off. Apex, I believe, is still 50% off, which is not good. Yeah, you might see something tomorrow. Maybe, hopefully, be nice. Obviously, Take Profit Trader still got that deal going on with no activation fees, which is sweet. Brian, what's going on? Yeah, what's happening, Bao Bao? Targeting 590s. All right, getting a little push up there, 625s. Don't really know what to expect this week. We have news tomorrow at 8:30, retail sales. Should be interesting. And, oh, FOMC Wednesday. Okay. All right, so we should have some nice volatility this week. Hopefully it doesn't go flat just before FOMC, but there you go, Methodical. Almost got there. Must be looking at this wick down here. 589s, 588s. Yeah, stay away from that, right? High dice rollers on Sunday night. That's right. Yeah, we're degenning evals. Man, I did a heavy workout today, like a real heavy, like with weights, and my muscles are twitching bad. I went really heavy today. As heavy as I could go. But my shoulder is finally feeling better after almost 2 months. Which is nice. I was able to actually flat bench. I didn't go too heavy on that because I'm a little scared of my shoulder, but there we go. 590 threes. Ooh, get the jump there. I think we flush this. Look at that buy up. Jeez. Yeah, Bob. Yeah, you know I did something if my muscles are twitching. Yeah, my lats or my back muscles there are twitching bad. Kind of want to hop in short, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for one of my setups here. Maybe scale in on a short. Nice little 9-touch there. Not quite in a harami candle, not technically. That's a previous day opening range? No. I don't know why it does that. Kind of messes me up. Not quite. No, wasn't quite. Boy, those have been paying even on the Asian session lately. Those haramis. We were crushing it the other night. I think it was Thursday night. Yeah, we absolutely destroyed it. There's the bounce off the 600. That was a nice little 9-touch right there, though. Right from 600, right back up to 616. You just blew an account? Yeah, for the probably Bulenox when they were $15 Dell. I actually got rebilled on something today too. I think it was Take Profit Trader, and I was like, oh man, because I think it was under the old deal, and I was like, I don't want that. You're still short from 632. Nice. Yeah. Definitely, I don't see any reason to pop out yet. I do think we take this out. The 590, that wick down there. And possibly the 542s if we keep dropping. Right at 600, just kind of hanging out right now. Really nothing for me. This could possibly set up an inside bar. If that's the case, I will take it without discretion. I'm just gonna take it. Should you target lower? I don't know. I mean, I was looking at this down here at 541, but that's a pretty good target right there, 590s. It is feeling pretty heavy. We did kind of have a little bounce on Friday, just kind of a push up, and just kind of floated higher the rest all day after the initial push down, after the little ORB test. And so I don't really know what to think. be honest with you guys, I'm sitting on some cash in my investment account, and I haven't bought anything yet. I don't think the market is over. I just don't think we're ready for the bounce, like the real bounce. But intraday, I'll trade anything. Shorts, longs, whatever. That's just my opinion. Have you seen the NQ Stats website? Is that what it's called? NQ Stats website? PKR? Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. NQ Stats. This is very interesting. Thank you. I'm gonna look at that later. Apex 71% off, guys. I knew they were gonna do something because of Bulenox. Of course, Bulenox ups them just a little bit. So Apex 71% off, which is better than 50%, which is nice. We want 90%, but hey. This is actually interesting. Thank you, BKR. I'm gonna actually look at that later. I love stuff like this. We got an inside bar there. Let me pay attention again. $250Ks and $300Ks, $85 lifetime. All right, thank you. Methodical. $40 resets. Nice. Let me write that down. My pea brain. Let's all right, let's set an order in here before I forget. Hi. Low. Seven. Alright, let me set that order in on that inside bar. 250K, 300K, 85. I'd like to see the 150K, 85 lifetime. That would be nice. I don't mind the 150Ks. I passed the 300K once, didn't last long. Alright, we got triggered long. Just looking for 10 points, but don't love it. Still kind of like the short, but I'm going to take it without discretion on this eval just for testing purposes, and it looks like we're going to get stopped out. Yeah, instantly. So, it's because Methodical's here. Yoma cursed it, and then he was spreading FUD to Methodical, so 316 loss, check mark. Yoma was spreading the FUD. Alright, so that didn't work. That's okay. That's why I still forward testing it and not having full confidence in it yet. I like to trade them for a long time. So at the last candle with no follow through. Yeah, and perhaps like maybe if you place a stop below, but right now I'm trying to do 10 point stop loss, 10 point take profit, so, and just leaving it. And that instantly stopped us out, so. There, I got my notes down. There we go. All right, so let's see here. So, like, this makes you wonder, like, do you take the long, place the stop properly below, and then, you know, target up above? But, you know, where you do have the VWAP sitting right there too, and I don't know, I just don't like it. I just think I'm just gonna wait for the next setup. But yeah, this is pretty interesting, BKR. I was just kind of scrolling through that a little bit with the stats. And then they have all kind of 1 hour continuation, initial balance breaks. This is pretty interesting, actually. I'm gonna look at that off stream, but yeah, if you guys want to check that out, nqstats.com. I've never heard of it. It's got little, you know, situational and nuance type stuff, which I really like, because I like to try to find those mechanical strats sometimes. You're in a gold short? Yeah, Jinzo, I do. It's Pine Tree Trader. I do have a Twitter. Did I say Discord? I do have a Twitter and a Discord. You took it unfunded. Yeah, sorry, Methodical. Don't copy my trades. Please, don't copy my trades. Especially this session, you know. Look at it going, though. See, properly. But even though, like, the risk to reward is not great, but you could still take it. You know. 25-point stop. And what? Not quite a 1-to-1, but let's see if it actually works. I'm paper handing it right now. I don't love it. I mean, look at that VWAP just sitting right there. And in this session, crazy. You get crazy rejections and bounces. That's right, BKR. But if you faded me, last Thursday, and you guys blew some accounts, I'm telling you that. Thursday night? Maybe even the night before, too. I've been actually trading pretty good. But look at this. Look at this garbage. Look at that. Try for the bounce play, or we wait for the break? I think we wait for the flag break. Wait for that flag break, and then yeah, I just got the email, Methodical. The flash sale, Apex. Use code SAVE now. No, use code PINE. Guys, use code PINE. Oop, I got Stock Tiger going in my headphones, sorry. So I can copy trade Stock Tiger. That's why I'm listening. He's the real trader. He's the real nighttime trader. All right, we're still pushing up. Just kind of like putting in this little bear flag here. We'll wait to see what happens here. This is why NQ at 822, 600 on Think of Swim. It's weird. What's going on, Dan? If we get a little break of this flag here, I might hop in short. It'll probably be really quick if I hop in. For right now, we're just kind of stair-stepping higher. Oh, the rollover, Mo. Yeah. Thank you. I was confused for a minute. I'm like, what? Yeah, check out the rollover, Dan. Oh, I think a swim is already rolled. That's interesting. It is rollover week 2, isn't it? This kind of looks... I'm gonna try it. We're short. I'm gonna target the lows, actually. Gotta get through the 600s now. I'm looking for a bigger win down through the lows. Good 20 points. Possibly could target the 90s, but we'll just... target the 90. Volume seems to be fine so far. I don't feel any... I mean, it's a little choppy, but... Hey, Steven, what's going on? Don't fight the trend. Trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. All right. A nice solid 10 points there. We're looking for more. I'm gonna protect a little bit and just move my stop above this candle here at 618. Oh, what is that? What is that? Come on. That was dirty. That was dirty. Was that Mo in there buying up like 400 lots? I think it was Mo in there buying up 400 lots. That was so dirty. Wow. Mo, yeah. What's going on, Nate? Martin, you long? That was you. It was you, Martin. You moved the market then. Boy, I just got fooled out on that. That was a nice trade. I mean, we could have took the base hit, but I don't know. I was looking a little greedy, looking like methodical. Was looking to is this wick down here, 589s, 590s. So that's what we're looking for. It still sort of is in play. It just came back and took me out there. Alright, we still got 1600 in drawdown in this eval. Hey, Fred, what's going on? Bray, what's going on? No, it didn't hit, no. The trends. That's right. Hey, Black Beauty, what's going on? It might have been 100 lot. It could have been 100 lot. In this market, it's very possible. Well, it started moving quite a bit. We were like, what, 10, almost 15 points in the money. And then I moved my stop, but yeah. To be honest with you, Dan, like I really like leaving my stops where they are. Yeah, I don't know. Some reason I tend to move them lately. So I'm always like, you know, stop needs to be where the stop needs to be type deal. But yeah, that was nasty. And we wouldn't have got stopped out. We would have still been in that trade. But we'll see what happens now. Let's move this line here. We don't need that anymore. A little frustrating. Right back down to 603s. Yeah, Fred, yeah, I got mine under review too a few weeks ago, but they ended up passing it, so. Oh, I appreciate that, Nate, man. Yeah, Terry, you know, she's a close friend of mine too, so it's all good. Appreciate it. I started to figure that out, Yo Jim, but yeah, probably this week. Definitely this week. Yeah, in case you guys don't know, I started to figure it out. I actually shout out to Cove Trader. Was asking him how to do it, and he said to just copy and paste. But I gotta set up the account and stuff, so I haven't done that yet. I kind of had a lot going on this weekend, so. Pushing down below 600s now, I'm really frustrated. What a dumb stop out. I think we take out the 593s now, but I'm not going to hop in down here. I tend to get smoked on the momentums. Wow, like that. Look at that. What is going on? Check the So guys, so you get someone was asking if you had a Twitter. Your trader bait's acting up. Yeah, I got someone was asking me if I had a Twitter, and I do. And had a nice little viral tweet over the weekend, so that was pretty good for the channel, I hope. I think I got some subs. Funny thing is, Michael Patak retweeted it, and that's what made it kind of go viral. 30,600 views. So I got a bunch of followers, and because I don't care about Twitter, I just care about the YouTube, and I try to bring people to the YouTube, so hopefully I got some good exposure for the YouTube. Yeah, it was crazy. I'll show you. But yeah, once Michael Patak retweeted it, it went nuts. Don't really like this price action right now. A little frustrated that we get stopped out there and then still pushing down. Even Methodical Man commented on it. He never comments under my Twitter. Look at that. Huh? Methodical Man. The man. But yeah, 30,600 views. And I did it, what, Saturday? So yeah, so brought a lot of exposure. Ended up getting, I think, like almost 50 followers. So, pretty sweet. Right back up, guys. Kind of barcoding right now. Stair stepping slightly to the downside. It's flagging again. The original bear flag's kind of still in play, though. Really frustrated with that. Could I hop in again? I could. But it just feels weird. It feels off. Yeah, I am. Should I be trading the other one? I don't feel like the volume's there yet. I wouldn't think. Not yet, Coach Fred, but it could happen if they reach out to me. Because look, right here, Michael Patak retweeted my tweet. Retweeted my tweet. And then he commented down here that he really likes my story. So kind of cool. So hopefully it brings some channel exposure. I mean, that's all. I don't really like all the recognition or anything, but I do care about the channel, and that's a good way to get exposed. So pretty awesome. YM's doing something. Yeah, YM's starting to push up now. How do I check the volume? I forgot of the Hey, Wood Chip, what's going on? Yeah, thanks, Fred. Yeah, no, it was great. Yeah, I thought about it, Coach Fred. I thought about it. But yeah, no, for sure. I am, David. I'm questioning whether I should be or not, but I am still in the march. if I already answered that or not. Kind of all over the place. Yeah, I have the volume here, but there was a way to check somewhere. Maybe it's this. Yeah, it's this. And you can do NQMM. No, what is it? What is the new contract? M5. So yeah, right here, guys, you can see this is a quick way to find out the volume for like rollovers. Is right here in the market analyzer if you're on Tradeovate, and then you just go right here, and then you see the old contract and then the new contract, and you can see the volume still higher on the H5. So it's a little trick, quick way to so you can kind of watch that. So like tomorrow or the next day, you can see it start to shift. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Still on H-Jinzo, yeah. Bro, Take Profit and Tradeovate have been bouncing me back and forth over the ghost trade. Either one will contact the other, but both have said that that's what needs to happen. Unbelievable, Bray. I can't believe that that's happening to you. Especially with Take Profit Trader. They really are good about, you know, customer support or something, but I mean, their customer support is okay, but they're usually pretty good about fixing issues, which is, because I've had issues with them. But yeah, that's really weird. Because I've had that happen to me, Bray. Well, Dell, I wasn't on YouTube or anything, you know, when that happened to me. They don't know about me. And you know they hate me because they won't even give me an affiliate link. Really kind of choppy right now. Just waiting for a little setup here. I got nothing. Like this little box here, it's pretty dirty. My bias kind of to the short side, but this Harami, the inside bar, is kind of still in play to take out 633. So I don't have too much. Hopefully it's not gonna be like this the whole night. But with being rollover, got FOMC coming Wednesday. It could be, I don't know, it could be kind of choppy, but we'll see. But really no setup for me. I mean, technically this is a Rami here, but it's just kind of nasty. Very poor risk to reward. I could try here to see if it works. What am I gonna risk? But yeah, really sideways. I'm really tempted to click the button, but we're just really trying to choppy right now. We held the lows 593s. Get this wick down here at 597s, but I don't know. I know, right? I'm just giving up, I think. That happened to me. They don't care about small fries. Dell, yeah, that's so stupid. It wasn't profitable, so maybe they didn't care for me. Maybe. Yeah, that happened to me too, once, on a funded account. And I was getting payouts. I was getting Take Profit Trader payouts at the time, and that happened to me. It was my first Take Profit Trader account. Was up 50% of the profit target. No red days, no big sizes. Oh, so this was an eval too, Bray? This was just an eval? And they still fighting you on it? That's so weird. Hey Donna, how's it going? Hope you had a good weekend. This was a pretty big drop though from the open. Down 103 points from the open, so. With 7 of their accounts when I first started, they probably knew I would buy another, and I didn't. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've blown my share of take profit traders. I haven't added it up, but I think I'm probably net positive with them now. I think I've gotten my tuition back. An inside bar. I'm gonna take it. Short, 604s, break at the inside bar. Nothing feels like it's gonna work tonight, so I don't know. On this what am I on? Top step. Stops in a good place. See if we can get that continuation now from the open. We didn't leave a gap, so. Okay, we're gonna get below 600s now. There's a crack below 600s. Oh, bought right back up. Okay. Someone's messing with the market on the low liquidity. We got someone with a little more money than me that's messing with it. And they take quick profits. This lower defense is nuts. You saw that too, right? I mean, what is that? There we go. There we go. Wow, it's choppy and dirty. JC Trades, what's going on? Actually, that reminds me. JC Trades, you remind me when I see you because you're awesome and you retweet my stuff or share my so I'm gonna put it on my Twitter here. I always forget that we are live. So I appreciate that, JC Trades. Yep, there it goes. Hey, Cove Trader in the house. What's going on, Cove? Yeah, did you see JC Trades? My tweet went viral over the weekend. Over 30, almost 31,000 views because Michael Patak retweeted it. So silly. I'm sitting in the gym and I'm writing that tweet. So yeah, it was pretty good for the channel, I hope. Hey J Stores, what's going on? Oh, nice, Kof. Yeah, we just a little unfortunate. We got in that flag break. I'm sure you saw that flag break there on the 5-minute. We hopped in short. I was targeting 90s, and as it started to go, I moved my stop to I don't know, like right here, 618. I think I moved my stop. It was just above the candle. Came back, took us out, and then continued. But we hopped in another short right there. Let me put in my fills and orders. So there's my fills. So yeah, I don't know what. Someone keeps buying up big right down through here. Kind of playing some trickery. He jumped out 587. Yeah, nice. Yeah, right on that. We jumped out 590, but yeah, right at this little wick here. Good call. I saw that J Stores, huh? Duke won the ACCs. Our boy Cooper flag. Yeah, Duke's gonna be tough. Cooper flag is so good. He's so good. Up 560, nice Dal. Nice work, buddy. Oh, Cove, yeah. So I just, yeah, BKR and told me about that stat page right here. So I'm gonna take a look at it too. I love stuff like this. I love like mechanical, nuance, situational stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be checking this out later tonight. Still push it down now. Oh, he was hurt? I didn't know that. J Stores, Cooper flag got hurt. But he'd be ready for the tournament. Yeah, they're saving him for the big dance. The guy is Chris who made it. Really nice guy. Oh, nice. Yeah, I just actually sent it to a friend of mine too. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be looking through it. Yeah, I love stuff like that. I mean, that's like how, like my YM trade and stuff, like that's how I started trading that was from Tom Hugard, but it's just all statistics and stuff. And, you know, some weird statistics, like some situational stuff is, I know some people like this stuff, but some might not. But like 60% of all Mondays is the high of the week for the Dow, like 60%. And then also on the Dow, if the Monday is the highest traded point for the last 3 days, Thursday traded 21 out of 25 times lower than Wednesday, than the Wednesday low. And if Thursday is higher than Friday, Monday trades 20 out of 21 times in the Dow lower on Monday. So on the Dow, 60% of Mondays is the high of the week. And Monday is the highest traded, if Monday is the highest traded point for the last 3 days, then Thursday traded 21 out of 25 times lower than Wednesday's low. And then Thursday is higher than Friday. Then Monday trades 20 out of 21 times lower on Monday in the Dow. That's from Tom Hugard. And these are like old notes. These are old notes from like 2021. We are really pushing down now. This is like an old ass notebook. Like TPO stuff. Like these are all like my old notes from when I first started trading futures. Yeah, look that up like through Tom Hugard and stuff. Like stuff's pretty interesting actually. Markets change obviously, but yeah, pretty interesting. 60% of the time it works every time, Cove. Absolutely. But yeah, I love stuff like that website with the NQ stats and things like that. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. All right, we're still pushing down. 569s now. We have real no setup now. We ended up getting our target there on that short, but very much could come down to 451s here. Almost 92 people watching, guys. If you guys could just do me a favor and smash the like button. I know it sounds cheesy, but it actually really helps out the channel. Helps out the algos. Oh, okay, Cove. That's cool. Yeah, there's another one that's similar. I've started on Top Step once. Can't remember what it was called though, but they had a very similar type website. But yeah, that's cool. I like this stuff. So what's his group, Cove? Oh, okay. All right, Cove. Thanks, man. I'll just Google it, find him. Thanks for hanging out, man. Appreciate the help over the weekend too. This is looking interesting, yeah. H1 candle, yeah, it's looking interesting, Steven, actually. So 570s now, pushed up to 580s. Kind of looking like a possible inside bar. Kind of bouncing off this 15-minute pivot point as well. Perhaps for a scalp. We'll see though. Nice smoky. Oh yeah, take profit traders, awesome. They'll probably move you to Pro Plus pretty soon, Smokey, which is all right because you get a 90-10 split instead of the 80-20, which is you know, much better. Four-hour gap. Yeah, still coming down here. Yeah, 20,000 profit. Yeah, they will. Yep. Yeah, or 10,000 in one day. Like my friend got 10,000 in one day, and they liquidated her and put her right into Pro Plus, which is fine because the 90-10 split is better. Save 10%. Those 80-20s are like, oh, really? 80-20 again? Oh, I keep thinking my there we go. All right, see if we push down below this inside bar here. There we go. Little break there to the downside. $19,566. Just watch. If it holds under, it could get fast. Yeah, for sure. Nice little break there, the inside bar. I didn't take it, but quick 10 points easily. Looks like we're going to continue to flush. Possibly next level 541s and 512s. $560s now. Bounce off the 550 50s. 50-50. Yeah, for sure. I think everyone's in the shorts now. 550s. Bounce it up to the 565s now. Pretty nice bounce there. We've been getting that though. We've been getting those bounces and then continuing to drop, so. Boy, this price action was nasty to start right here. Nice drop down here, but oh, I'm sure, Smokey, but you know, I got my own thing. I appreciate it though. I know. It's all good. All right, so 560s now. I actually don't have level 2 on there. Yeah, they're really for sure. People are chasing now. I didn't really want to chase this either, to the downside. But if we get a nice push up above the... Start to break this, I might look for a long. Right now I'm just kind of sitting. Hey Kevin, what's going on, buddy? He was level 2, I know. I don't use it. Smokey does. I don't. But sometimes I've liked it. Like on that Ninja Trader tournament, I was watching it. But yeah. 560s. Real no setup here. Just yeah, David. Sometimes I look at the 1 minute too for scalps. So I have like this 1 minute chart. It's basically just for our 9 crossover scalp that Methodical Man came up with, and I've been practicing it a little bit, but I haven't really gone to it. I haven't had the need for it lately. But yeah, I trade the 5. I'll look at the 15. But yeah, I trade the 5 on the YM, the 5 on the NQ. I've just been staring at it for years, so it's one of those things. Yeah, Kevin, I mean, you can throw it on your chart. I mean, a lot of people use it, for sure. Some people watch how they enter at spoof areas. It shows a lot. Yeah, if you get good at reading it, it definitely can be helpful. I mean, it's just all about price action and orders, right? Order flow. But yeah, we're getting that bounce off 550s. I don't think, doesn't feel like this is gonna hold here, but it could. Feel like we go lower before we pop higher. But we've had some nasty buy-ups, kind of faking everyone out lately. So it's like any moment it could bounce 30, 40 points. That's what it was doing earlier. It's nasty. Chris Cornell? What about Chris Cornell? I like is this the well, he died in, oh no, May. They died in May. I thought it was March. But... Hey Steven, alright man. Appreciate it. Jeez, look at that. Kind of nasty. Oh, Audio Slave? Yeah. Yeah, I like Audio Slave. Yep. Me too. It's one of the first songs I learned how to like, or one of the first like drop D songs I learned on guitar. This is an Audio Slave song. Kind of easy, but You long or short, Dell? Get a little pop here, 566. Yes, I might try for a long here. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for this candle. Don't fade me. Oh, you short? Alright. Yeah, I have a tough time going with the momentum on the Asia markets. So, we'll see. We do have the gap up here. I'm long. Long at 570. We'll see. I don't know. It's kind of counter trend right now, but we'll go off that inside bar. Maybe we get a little bounce here. Just looking for a quick scalp. Spreads are crazy too. Look at these spreads. They're just nasty. I would not, like, you guys do you, but yeah, just be a little careful. Especially with the rollover. Oof. Okay, got take profit there. Sorry, Del. Sorry, buddy. Don't fade me, bro. Kind of see money take money right now while we're in this very bearish overnight market. So on the long, I was very kind of quick to take profit there. I just targeted the high of this candle, and we are pushing up higher now. But you're the exit liquidity for sure on the sim money. Yeah. How have you guys? Some of you guys probably trade your own accounts, and you always feel like, oh, if I just, on a sim account, if I just buy like a bunch right here on a sim account, like it's gonna move the market or something, you know? Perhaps it could now with like a lot of these sim companies having live accounts, where like Top Step Trader or Top Step X has the tilt meter, so you can kind of see where the percentage is long or short, which is kind of interesting. I look at that thing and I want to fade the masses. I don't know if anyone else does that. I see the Top Step tilt and then I just want to fade them. How's everyone else doing tonight? You guys staying safe? Flat, just hanging out, because you know, the YM looked a little funny. Definitely more volume in the YM, the new contract. So switching to that. But the NQ, not quite for volume. Still in H5 right now. But Dow, different story. So keep that in mind, guys. I'll leave that right there for now, just for the show, even though I don't like it, but. Hey, TCG. Yes, so it is rollover week, TJP. TCG Andy, what's going on, buddy? What's happening? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Still breathing? Still kicking? I gotta do some stretching tomorrow, for sure. Don't forget to smash the like button for Del Stone. Del Stone says smash the like button, everyone. It looks like we got 38 likes right now, 93 people watching. I appreciate everyone hanging out on a Sunday night. We're getting excited for the markets. We have FOMC Wednesday, meetings, things like that. So, let's see. Smash them or we smash you, right? Nothing to, yeah, we do actually. 8:30, we have core retail sales, and Empire State Manufacturing is orange folder, so at 8:30. Tuesday, Trim CPI, Canada. I don't know, you guys buy much stock in the red folder events when it comes to the CAD? I've been questioning that. I'm gonna have to watch that closely. And then, yeah, Wednesday, FOMC fund rates, FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. Progressively smash. So we are pushing up here, 578s. Put on yeah, so it's interesting the Dow is trading more volume on the M5 contract than the other ones. So yeah, nice little trade there, right back to our exit. So we'll see what happens now. Hey Sherry, what's going on? How's it going? But yeah, Apex is 71% off, guys. We just got it to the email, and it is 85% activation for the 250K, and that's the lifetime, and the 300K, and $40 resets. So it's better than the 50% off. And Beelanox still, what, 75% off? 73. 75% off Bulonox. TPT. You guys know. Take Profit Trader. $119 all in on the 50K. So that's a good deal. If you guys are consistent with passing evals. Curious, you guys that trade Apex, do you guys trade, any of you guys trade the big dogs, the 250s or the 300Ks? Because I've passed one 300K once. It didn't last. I don't know if I love them. I like the 150Ks and the 50Ks and the 25Ks. The 150Ks are not bad. Alright, still kind of pushing higher, but really not moving. Working on 150K evals. Yeah, one of my first payouts ever was 150K. I do like those. Under the old rules. Used to get, what, $2,750 on a payout? Something like that. It was nice. Well, Dell, I had my best month with Take Profit Trader with 25K, so I do like them, but you have to be careful. You don't have that much room. But yeah, one of my best months this month was with Take Profit Trader 25K account, so that's how I got all those payouts. So, you like 50Ks? Yeah, me too, Sherry. But I'm not opposed to the 25Ks when Take Profit Trader got rid of the daily loss limit, and the 25Ks got much better. I was long, Smokey. I was long for a minute. No, you did. Nice call out, buddy. I've never used Elite Trader funding, Caleb. No, I've never used them. I'm actually really good with my trailing drawdown. I'll full send on the Fridays and always blow my next. Yeah, for sure, Tell. Get rid of that get rid of that trailing drawdown real quick. All right, pushing up the 590s now. Another nice little break off the inside bar there. I should have took the second one too. Could take out the 596s now. I'm gonna wait for New York. I think never do great during this time. Yeah, Bray. I hear you. We're doing okay. We're up green. Not much. I'm on 12, but yeah, I got really iffy right here. This was unfortunate because the short actually did work. It's just I got stopped out after I moved my stop. I had it up here. 625 and I moved it down. Figured it'd be a better spot to kind of, not give back so much of the account, and got stopped out, and then it's continued to roll over since then. Rolled 60 points or so. But I think rollover week is tough. It can be tough. All right, Bray. I'll catch you later. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Only down $40. That's nothing. Yeah. You get it back tomorrow. New York. Much easier. Right at 590s now. Rejecting. Let's take a look at gold. Just curious. Where's gold at? Right at 3,000, 30,001. Love the momentum there. Yeah, me too, Lafta. I really do. But admittedly, like if I wasn't streaming, I'd be sitting on my couch degenning evals anyway during this stuff. I don't know how many times I've, get caught or something and said, oh, like really messed up, like stove up my personal accounts and then end up trying to get the money back during New York, you know? All right, 590s now. Still pushing higher. Have the gap up here. This 5 minute here, what, 647s to 631s. I don't really have any ideas right now. I think we're just pushing higher for now. Whoa, Black Beauty says, whoa. Yeah, nice little bounce there off the 550s. So. I hate the movements when it's rollover week, like this stuff. Like, I hate this. It's like, half the time I think, well, maybe I should just take rollover week off and... $590s, just kind of boring right now. Let's look at gold. Gold is just grinding up. 3001, 3002. Anyone else in a trade right now? You guys long or short, or? We are flat. We've taken a few trades tonight. Had the right idea on most of them. A little unfortunate on the This one right here did not work. The first trade, but everything else has been pretty good. Kamek, what's going on? You long for 570? Very nice trade. Oh yeah, right. Hey, I was long from 570. Nah, nice trade, man. Still holding though. So we're kind of just grinding higher now. We're in this little, I don't know if you want to call it a flag, but why is this not working? There we go. Kind of just in this little channel, pushing up higher now. I don't know if you would really call this like a bear flag, but could be. Very well could be. You long, Black Beauty? Nice. Nice long. You're probably long, yeah, the yen. Long the yen. Down to -7, trying to calm down, Dan. Yeah. Probably better to maybe come back for the New York session. I don't know. But I've been there. Get down in the hole during this the Asia markets, and then end up having to claw your way back. It's always fun. It's option 2. Buellanox, option 2. Yes, end of day. Yep, BKR it is. So, yeah, that is a good point too, actually, BKR. So 75% off option 2s too. So, just end of day scaling. Gives you a daily loss limit as well, but it is end of day, so 75% off. If you guys are trading Buellanox, you want to use my code. It's code PINE. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys that have been using my code. Yep. Nope. Yeah, no BKR, no, it doesn't change. No, the only one that changes is Take Profit Trader, as far as I know. Which is kind of bizarre, but... So if you guys don't know, with Take Profit Trader, once you pass the evaluation, or during the evaluation, it's end of day. And then once you pass the evaluation, it goes to trailing, intraday trailing. But yeah, just to bounce off that trend line. Headed up to the VWAP here, 608s. Should have just stuck with our long. In hindsight, obviously, hindsight trading, but this is another good entry right here off this inside bar. And I did not take it, unfortunately. Yeah, up almost 55 points from the low, session low. We're about ready to test the VWAP here. Probably get a little reaction off it, we'll see. Nope, blasted right through, so 610s for now. Slight rejection off the VWAP. Pushed through it there, but not to the tick like it usually does sometimes. Could be because of the, you know, the rollover. Left at 2021. One of my first actually accounts was Top Step. So I got Top Step, I got My Funded Futures, I got Take Profit Trader, I got Tradeifys, I got Beeledonks, I got Apex. I got them all. But yeah, 2021. I do like the My Funded Futures with their extra 500, which is nice. You get 2,500. That is nice. But yeah, it is pretty tight. Like a lot of people don't realize, like when they're buying an account, LAFTA, is that's what you're paying for, is the drawdown. So you're only paying for how much you get in drawdown on that particular account. So alright, so we did get a rejection off the VWAP here, but do we really break it to the downside? Doesn't really feel like it. I'm hopping in here at 600. We'll see if so basically I'm just taking a psych level bounce here. I'm actually gonna add. I'm in 2 contracts. I'm going in heavy. We gotta break to that VWAP though. This is an eval only too, guys. You guys are just tuning in. I mentioned it earlier, but this is an eval only. I like this gap up here, 647s, 632s, Kisan, possibly, but we'll see. It could go all the way up to 666 up here, but I kind of like this gap right here, but it could go up to the open. But for all I know, it's going to turn down right here, Kisan, and take out the lows. I don't know. Hey, B Kiara, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Do I think the downside is done? Temporarily. That's just my guess because I'm long, but yeah, I mean that was a pretty big rejection off the VWAP here, and it was a pretty big bounce off from 550s. So I could get absolutely smoked on this trade, but we are right in this also in this congestion here, this resistance. So yeah, not looking good. That's a pretty tight stop, but so we're breaking that downwards channel actually. I exited out of there. I might actually flip short. This, I could get wrecked on this, guys. This could spell disaster. I'm actually gonna flip the switch here. Looks like we're breaking this flag. I could just get completely chopped right here, guys. Fully aware. Are we really gonna curl over? I hope so now, but are we really gonna curl over just because of the VWAP touch? It's kind of was like, didn't really feel like it, but this combine could be cooked. First gap hasn't been tested yet. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of what I was thinking the first trade, but Dahlia short, 603. I'm with you this time, bud. I flipped the switch there, and we'll see. Come on, flush it. Uh-oh, Stock Tiger's long. Stock Tiger's fading me. Stock Tiger has been the one hitting that dislike button during the Asian markets. I know it. Daniel Ramirez, what's going on? Bitcoin, is it possible to retest 90s? I really don't watch Bitcoin at all, believe it or not, Daniel. I don't pay much attention. Yeah, sorry. It's the right contract? Oof, what was that? That giant gap down on the Bitcoin, huh? I don't know why it's in that. Is this a true gap in the Bitcoin? That's crazy. Wow. That's a massive gap. Oh, come on. Really? Couldn't take my first one out there? Are you kidding me? Look at that. What was that low? Couldn't at least take the first one out, and now you're gonna stop me out. You got to be shitting me. 6,450? 583? You've got to be kidding me. I was absolutely kicked in the tick there, Amelia. That is so frustrating. I hate that when that happens, but that's the market, right? That's the NQ. Very frustrating. Nice flag break, though. I mean, it was for... What do we have? Almost 15 points on that trade, I'd say. Tiger Guru. That's right, yeah, he was long, wasn't he, Black Beauty? I thought I had him too. Hey, yo, Jim, I see you over there. Yeah, I thought I had him. I was like, oh yeah, I got him on this flag break here, and then nope, he got me. So down 644 on this eval here. Very unfortunate. I went in heavy with 2 contracts. Happens, but yeah, this is top step eval, so is what it is. It's funny. Yo, Jim, yeah, double agent. But you're a mod over there, yo, Jim. I'm gonna send my mods over there to attack Tiger's mods. We have a mod off. Yeah, quite the gap down on the Bitcoin. That's pretty weird. Oh, rejected off the VWAP once again. So kicked in the tick once again. Not my night, guys. Not my night. It's rollover week. You're on the demo, Dell? Yeah. Boy, that was unfortunate, huh? I mean, we still could pull back here, but I got nothing. That was ugly. So how are we doing on the rollover? So yeah, we got YM. Definitely trading YM, the new contract, M5 tomorrow. Yeah, NQ and ES still trading on the old H5s. M5's still haven't quite got the volume yet, so. And if you guys want a cheat sheet and you're on Trade of 8, it's right there on Market Analyzer. And you just type in the just put in the instrument right here in the search bar, and it just pops up right there, so you can see the volume. It's just a quick way to see how the rollover is going, to see what contract you should be in. So we are here, Alyssa. Yes, just for a little bit longer. So yeah, we got kicked in the tick there. So once again, kicked in the tick. We were short here. Had to take profit literally by the tick. I have to look back, but I think it was like by the tick on one contract to take it off. If that would have hit, I probably would have moved the other one to break even. That's usually what I do. Came back. Instead, it came back. Took out our two contracts, 607. And by 2 points, and it's continuing to go our way. So that's how the market has gone for me tonight. So stops are not at good levels, take profits not at good levels, whatever. It's just a little unlucky, but hey. You like the auto shift? Yeah, I know, I do like. Well, Trade of 8 will remind you on some platforms that it's, you know, time to roll, but yeah, it makes it much easier with the X platforms, for sure. But I know, like, Quantower won't. E-Trade won't. Kind of looks dumpy, don't it? But yeah, not a good way to start the week. So down 644 on the C-Val. Everything else is safe. Should be up about 644 right now. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But yeah. So Apex, 250Ks and 300Ks. $85 activation fees, lifetime activation, and 71% off all accounts, $40 resets. So use code PINE, help support the channel. Appreciate it, guys. I know I'm just a small YouTube channel, but use code PINE on Bealonox and Apex. Apex has Bealonox 75% off. We all want 90% off or 80%, I know, but not too bad. Take Profit Trader, Terry Trades 100, all caps. $119 for the 50Ks. And yeah, that was on Apex. So Dell, it's 250Ks and 300Ks are $85 activation fees. And 71% off all accounts. $40 resets on any size. So, but yeah, if you guys are trading with Tradeify, you want to use my link, just click my link in the chat and use the default code March, or MAR for March. So, appreciate the support, guys. I know you guys have been out there using my stuff, and it's greatly appreciated. Greatly appreciated. I mean, you could help Patrick Whelan buy, what did he buy this weekend? Another car? You could. But I think you should help support small streamers, just like you support small businesses. But yeah, no, it's all good. Use code MM too for My Funded Futures, and put in the code anyway, even though it doesn't really give you a discount. Because a big supporter of my channel, and has me on his channel to cross promote, which is a big deal when you first get started. But I think I'm gonna call it there. That last trade really frustrated me. It's all good though. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll crush it. Rollover week. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. Yeah, I like them, Jason, for sure. Yep, I do like them. A lot of people get payouts with them in the chat. I have yet to get my tuition back with Bealonox, to be honest with you. He bought 2 new cars, Corey. Oh, so he bought 2 new cars this weekend. So keep using his code, guys. Keep using his code. $20,000 a day. You guys crazy? Holy cow, that's a lot of money that he makes in affiliates. But yeah, we've been on for a couple hours now. I'm gonna rest up. I'll be on tomorrow for sure. Thanks, Black Beauty. Appreciate it. Appreciate you too. One of my first subscribers, Black Beauty Machine. But yeah, smash the like button on the way out too, guys. What is the drawdown? Let's take a look before I leave. I haven't traded them in a long time. I think 6,500, 7,500. Let's look. Let's see. So you got 6,500 on a 250K and 7,500 on the 300K. Big dogs. If you're a bigger size trader or you have a lot of patience, then yeah, they're not easy, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna oh, the static account's like 650 bucks though. Not very much. It's nice if you get a good head start on it. It's really nice. Like I did. We want 90%. Yes, Cove. We want 90%. Oh, I gotta change that too in the Streamlabs. It's not 80% anymore. Oops. I'm gonna do that right now before I get off here. Let's see. Commands. $350K. 85. Activations. So it's still pushing down now. I think that the yeah, that was really unfortunate. We got kicked in the tick there on both sides. It kicked in the head and the tick. There, I changed the cloud bot there. Shorting under 34. Oh, under the 34. Yep. Yeah, we had a nice short going right there at 596. It came down. It's Cove. It came down. I was in 2 contracts, 2 minis, and I had one I wanted to take off right here, and it literally by the tick missed us and came right back and took our stop loss out. Just like that. And then took our stop loss out by 2 points and then dumped back down. So, little unlucky there. Yeah, I know, Cove, yeah. Especially the rollover too, where it kind of gets a little jumpy. It's been a little jumpy tonight. Yeah, for sure, that's exactly what happened. I kind of knew better too, and oh well. I was in heavy too, 2 minis. But yeah, so if you guys are trading tomorrow, if you guys are trading YM, NQ, ES, keep watch of the volume because it is rollover week. YM is actually pretty much, well, you want to use the you probably want to use the new contract on YM, but as of right now, NQ and ES, still the most volume is on the old contract. So just keep that in mind, guys, tomorrow. It slowly rolls over, Alyssa, so yeah, like I said, just keep an eye on it. If you're trading on Tradeovate, that's a little cheat right there, the market analyzer up in the plus mark, and you just type in the instrument there and you can Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there, guys. Not really interested in taking a trade right now. I did not. It's kind of really frustrated me. So, but anyways, I usually trade till 6 to 8. So, but yeah, use code PINE, Bealonox, and Apex, and use my link if you guys use Tradeify. I appreciate it if you use my link and MAR, which is the default code. That's the only way I get credit. So, and Terry Trades 100, all caps, guys. Nice short, man. Yeah, good short there. Market is looking dumpy. But I'm gonna call it there, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate everyone hanging out. And smash the like button on the way out, too. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Peace. Thanks, Cove. Appreciate it. Appreciate you.